Welcome back to our Scratch. We are doing geometric art in the style of Beatriz, Milhazes and Bridget Riley. Right, let's have a quick look at what we have done since the last lesson, or what I have done rather. So as you can see, I've now got a new sprite. To do that, I clicked on the Paint Sprite tool, and the shapes that I used, I started off by using an oval shape. I created a sort of a greyish outline, and I filled it in a bluish colour for the roof of my football stadium, which looks like that. And then on these ones you can rotate. Oops. You can rotate here until it's roughly, and you can stretch it and pull it so it's roughly the same shape and size that you need. The next tool that's going to be important to get that kind of cylindrical effect, a 3D effect, we can just draw some lines in like this, and everything's straight at the moment. But up here there are some options. If we click on this one, reshape, and then double click, we get this option in the middle where we can stretch things out. So we can actually make lines more curved than they actually are. We can bend them each way. So you can keep creating that effect until you have something similar to what you want to draw, the realistic thing in the center of your inspired photo. Let's look back at the code here. So as you can see, the elements that I've included, I've used a show, which is under the looks for the very beginning when I want it to come, and then set size to 1%. So that makes it shrink into a small version of itself. And then I wanted it to change size by 10 each time. So I dragged one of those in, and then I wanted it to repeat 10 times so that it got back to its original size, 10 times 10 being 100. I also popped in one of these when I receive Amex, because I didn't want it to happen right at the beginning. I wanted it to happen at the end. And what I needed to do for that was I needed to create a block, broadcast block, and call it Amex. And I needed to add that to the pencil tool, this first one, and I popped it at the end, so when the first pencil finishes drawing those red circles, it broadcasts Amex, and that's the instruction for Amex to start increasing in size. Just to make sure that the Amex is not present the whole way through, I needed to use a when green clicked hide on there. All right, I'll leave the link to this project in the comments, and you can have a go at using painting a sprite and then having it increase in size. Okay. Hopefully you have fun finishing off your project with this last element. Bye for now.